This particular section was designed for students who are interested in not only flying, right, but also in technologies under anything that in the future we want to move autonomously.
I had known what a drone was for so long in my life, but I never actually physically interacted with a drone or have flown one or anything of that sort. One of the coolest things about this class is you get to fly it, you get to see what happened wrong with it, you get to fix it when it crashes. It's all so cool, and I think that was probably one of the highlights of this class.
The drone was a complete custom build for the class. If you buy a drone commercially, it's going to be a radio control unit. This drone actually has no radio control. It has a microcomputer in it, so it's autonomous. So it has to be programmed to do whatever it does via the software through the microcomputer in the drone. So you learn a little about sensors, data flow between sensors and controllers, data massaging so that you get good data to your controllers. It's a good way to bootstrap yourself into some engineering concepts that you're going to need later.
We test and we understand how the drone works in that laboratory. Also, we have a drone simulator that we can actually simulate a nature, even rain, wind, snow, to control the drone in more complicated environments.
First half of the semester, we learned how to use drones. And in the second part of the class, we were put into groups. All the groups here, you can maybe see behind me, develop their own project for something they think that autonomous drones can be used for in the real world.
It absolutely blew my mind. Today we're doing the final presentation. We have heard about a lot of crazy, societally impactful ideas that can potentially transform the world.
Control, sensing, autonomy, those are all concepts that are hot topics in engineering and probably will be for the next number of years.
This course is not only teaching the PID controllers and equation things, but this class is teaching a spirit of engineer. So this course is very important for new future engineers.